is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Train. Okay, so now we're ready for some fish. In a pan I'm putting, what am I putting, Petra?
Olive oil. For all Spanish dishes, essential olive oil from
Yes.
Spain.
Perfect. Now we need the pan heated up. Once it gets heated, first I'm going to make the zucchini. So now we've sliced the zucchini. A little bit of your Ibiza salt.
Magic salt from Ibiza Island. Magic touch.
And it's got some
everything.
flavors, right?
Ah yes, it has some ginger in it.
No wonder everything is tasting so good. And I'm adding a little bit of pepper. And the same salt and pepper I'm going to add on the fish. And with this I'm going to add some mushrooms because I love my veggies. Yes.
Lovely.
Just like the Spanish way. Papas.
So healthy.
So healthy.
Operación Bikini is what we're having now for summer.
Ah.
Operación Bikini to be presentable on the beach.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, by swimming pool.
Yes. We need to cook it for at least till it's done. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to take it out on a plate. And here we are. Wow. Done. I'm going to keep it aside. And now we are going to do the fish with a little bit of garlic. Actually, lots of garlic better.
Very Spanish.
Very Spanish. And along with this, okay, so our zucchini and mushroom is done, and in another pan we're putting olive oil and garlic. We need to fry the garlic a little, right? Smells wonderful. And now we add the fish. Skin side down. And I'll throw some fresh parsley.
This is so typical Spanish. Parsley and the garlic, ajo y perejil, the couple to go with fish always in Spain. And why don't we add a little white wine?
Yes! Yum!
Some wine with cooking is also very typical, very good, Mediterranean style.
Okay. So good.
So healthy, they say 1 glass of wine a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes! Wow! It's amazing. So we let it dry a little, and it can be a sauce as well. Yes? So I'm going to serve it on a bed of zucchini.
Oh my god.
Maybe garlic and some parsley. And here you go, Petra.
Delicious fish with
zucchini and mushrooms.
Nice.
Garlic and parsley.
Ajo y perejil, the garlic and parsley we always add in Spain to all fish. And just lemon.
Oh, lemon is like always welcome with fish. It's ideal. Yes? So are you ready to eat this?
Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm starving. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Hi friends, this is Shipra Khanna. Welcome to the Spice Trail.